gamers, welcome back to another mini tutorial of Vroid. Like I just said, it's gonna be a pretty small one. It's one of the simplest things you can actually do right now. It's actually to make the elf ears on Vroid. Before, there wasn't any simple and direct option to do that. But with Vroid, they actually made it very simpler. But only if your version of Vroid is at least 10.3 if I'm correct. I'm more inclined to the 11.1 or 0.2. It's between those two versions that they added the elf ears. It's much simpler than it looks. Let's cut to the chase. So if you're in the face editor, just go all the way where it says ears. Now on the right side, you're gonna be having 5 sliders. This is where the elf ears come into play. Not the ear volume, not the ear smallness, ear to position. This one will just actually make you grow elf ears as your character upwards. But, you know, it only gives you like one direction. And I mean one direction. And I'm talking about the back, so let's get that out of the thought. So what if you actually want to put the elf ears downward or to another area? Then all you have to do is just check the ear to position and downward. With the outside and the downward, you make things way better. Let's start with the outside. That what actually does is actually kind of flatten the, let's say the ear position, to a horizontal position. Does it make it simpler? Yeah, it does. And those of you who are very educated and a person of culture, if you know what I mean, will know that there's some type of elves that they have their ears all the way down here. This is where the downward ear tip position goes. And you can actually make it all the way down here. But let's get real. It only reaches up to here, around this area, like 0.43%. So if you want to make the ears bigger, just play around with the ear volume. Although it's gonna be looking like this, very weird. So most of the time, just play with the ear smallness. It kind of makes it look more proportionate. At least for the normal section. If you actually prefer it a different way, then you. So that should be all from this little tutorial. You can let your friends know. You can subscribe so you can receive further notifications like this and more videos. You can hit like and you can share with everyone. And I'll be seeing you in the next video.